Good evening all of you. Dear student, last online lecture we discussed about geography chapter number 3, water bodies, ocean and sea. Last lecture we discussed hydrosphere, ocean life, importance of ocean. So dear student, what is meaning by ocean? A large body of water on the earth's surface surrounding a large land mass. There are 5 oceans in the world: the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean and the Southern Ocean. What is meaning by hydrosphere? The part of the earth's surface occupied by water bodies is called the hydrosphere. And importance of the ocean. Ocean is a very important role for the development of climatic condition, and the ocean is a source of food for the people around the world. And the importance of ocean currents, warm ocean currents and cold ocean currents. These two ocean currents is very important for the overall water cycle in the earth's surface. So my dear student, today we discuss the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific, the largest ocean, cover about 1/3 of the area of the earth. This is a large than all the continents put together. It is the deepest ocean. Mariana Trench, the deepest ocean trench, 11,022 meter deep. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world, or all the earth's surface occupied by 1/3 part of the area. The Pacific Ocean is the very biggest ocean, largest ocean. So my dear student, the exact location of the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean located near the North America border and around the Asia continent, the Pacific Ocean. This is a outline map of all the 5 big water bodies. You already learned in last year 5th standard, what is meaning by continent and water bodies, ocean. The large area of landform on the earth's surface, it is called as continent. There are 7 continents in the earth's surface: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica and Europe. These are the 7 important continents and 5 big oceans like Pacific, Atlantic, then Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean. These are the important water bodies. So the Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean in the world. And one more important point, Mariana Trench, Mariana गर्ता, मतलब खोल सागरी प्रवाह, पूरे विश्व में से सबसे बड़ी, सबसे डीपेस्ट गर्ता, Mariana Trench, located in the Pacific Ocean. The deep of this Mariana Trench, 11,022 meters deep, is also located within this ocean. The continents of North America, North and South America extend on one side of the Pacific Ocean, and Asia and Australia stretch on the other side. Size is very big. Big water bodies occupied by Pacific Ocean. The exact location of this Pacific Ocean, North and South America extend on one side, and the Pacific Ocean, Asia and Australia continent, the other side. This is a world map. The exact location of Pacific Ocean, North America and South America, these two continents located here, and the one sides of Pacific Ocean, North America and South America, and the opposite other sides of Pacific Ocean, Asia continent. This is Asia continent border and Australia continent border. This is a Pacific Ocean. So over all the 7th continent, the Pacific Ocean is a bigger, large than over all the land masses. Understood everyone? Number 2, the Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean, the second largest ocean, is situated between the North and South America on the side and Europe and Africa on the other side. Due to irregular shape, the coastline of Atlantic Ocean is longer than coastlines of the Pacific and Indian Ocean put together because of its indented coastline. Second number ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world, and the exact location situated on North and South America in the one side and Africa and Europe is the another side. The Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean located North and South America one side and Europe and Africa, these two continents, another side border. The coastal area, the coastline is very big. Atlantic Ocean coastline is very big. So that's why the number of harbors and over all the sea routes transportation facility available on the Atlantic Ocean coastline, and the number of food, fish and the international route join for the Atlantic Ocean. So this is the important point of the Atlantic Ocean. The Pacific and Indian Ocean put together because of its intent coastline. There are many good harbors on the coast of this ocean. The Atlantic is the busiest ocean of the world from the point of view of commerce and trade. The fact that this ocean is situated between two of the most developed regions of the world, North America and Europe, makes it very important for trade and commerce. Overall, the world trade and transportation facility, commercial activity is very, very important for the Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is also called the busiest ocean in the world because the number of coastline located in the surrounding area of these water bodies. And one more interesting point, the European continent and the American continent people interested in the tourism facility. So the number of beaches and the natural monuments available, the beach and the surrounding coastal line area, that's why the number of tourist people visit in the surrounding area of the Atlantic Ocean. So the evergreen climatic condition, the sand dune, the sand and most of the environmental condition available in the coastline, and the another point, the commercial activity, trade and transportation facility and number of good harbors. The number of good harbors located near the Atlantic Ocean. मतलब एक कंट्री से दूसरे कंट्री में जो भी कुछ गुड्स एंड मटेरियल ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं, ये ट्रांसपोर्टेशन फैसिलिटी सबसे ज़्यादा अटलांटिक ओशन में अवेलेबल है. North America and Europe make it is very important for trade and commerce. These two important continents join from each other on the sea route, sea transportation. समुद्र मार्गे जो भी कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट वस्तुएं एक कंट्री से दूसरे कंट्री में लेके जाते हैं, तो ये अटलांटिक ओशन का यूज सबसे ज़्यादा नॉर्थ अमेरिका, साउथ अमेरिका, यूरोपियन कॉन्टिनेंट में जो भी कंट्री है, ये कंट्री में किया जाता है. सो my dear student, today we discuss about the Pacific Ocean and the importance of Atlantic Ocean. So take care, stay home, stay safe. Remaining part of the chapter we will discuss in next online lecture. Thank you.